Hi everybody, my name's Britelle from fundamenTELLE, and in this exercise today I'm going to take you through one of my favourite breathwork exercises called 4 and 8. This is one that makes up just about every day part of my daily routine. It's called 4 and 8 very simply because we breathe in for 4 and out for 8, so aptly named. However, if you find that that's too much for you, particularly if you're new to breath work, you can do 3 and 6 or even 2 and 4 if that's what you need. The main focus to this exercise is ensuring that our exhalation is longer than our inhalation. Because what that shows us, they've done lots of experiments and scientific research on this, is that at a biological cellular level, when our exhale is longer than our inhale, it lets our body know that we're safe and that we're okay. So if you have any issues with anxiety or depression or stress, which most of us do living in a modern world, right? Then this is the breathwork exercises that is for you. And I highly recommend that you do this every day. It's a beautiful way to start your day, letting your body know that you're safe, that it's okay, and that you're, in a safe space. And that's what our body needs to ensure that, the anxiety, the depression, those sorts of things don't take hold. So this is also a great exercise when you get into that monkey mind thinking, that real stress state where your mind's just going crazy. This is a beautiful one to just bring you back into your body, back into feeling your heart, so that you're out of that thinking space. However, when you're in that crazy monkey mind thinking, if it's anything like when I am, the last thing you're thinking is, oh, what did Britelle say? What was that exercise I have to do when I get stressed and my thinking's crazy? We don't think rationally in those moments. So that's where the consistency really comes in. Because if you're doing this exercise every single day, it's just second nature. It's just automatic. So as soon as you're in that stress space, you can just stop and go, right, breathe. And your body will take over and you'll know what to do because you've got that rote memory of doing it all the time. So there's actually 3 different ways that I'm going to take you through this exercise today, and you can just play with them, and you can really, it's limitless. There's not just 3. We're just going to do 3 today. But you can do as many as different alternate methods as you like. Just find the one that works for you and that you find is the most calming for you. It's your breath work. It's your exercise. It's your medicine. You use it in the way that works best for you. So ideally, when you do this, you want to do it for about 4 to 5 minutes. However, it's one you can do while you're at your desk working. You can even do it driving, so long as you've got your eyes open and you're focused. It can actually be really good to calm the body when you're, if you've got the road rage happening or anything. You don't have to be seated, now I'm doing my breath work and have a timer on and everything. Although I do encourage having a time like that in carving out some space for yourself to do that every day. It doesn't have to be that way. You can just be at your desk at work with your eyes open so nobody else knows that's what you're doing and you can do it. So there really isn't any excuse for anybody not to fit this into their daily routine and get the real benefits out of this exercise. So I'm going to play some very, very gentle, light, quiet music in the background just to set the mood a little bit. And I'll talk you through it for some parts and the rest of it will just sit and breathe together. Okay, let me get my music playing. And I'll just invite you to close down your eyes, sit up nice and tall, so you have a strong spine and a soft heart. And just give yourself a moment to just drop into your body. Strong spine and a soft and open heart. Chin parallel to the floor. Just feel your body, letting go of the thinking mind. Just feel. We're going to start this exercise by breathing in and out the nose. So exhale everything wherever you're at and breathe in through the nose. 2, 3, 4, out the nose. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In. 2, 3, 4, out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and continue. If you've done my Ujjayi breath exercise, you can use that breath technique in this exercise. All you need to do is make sure you're filling up your belly, bottom of the lungs, middle of the lungs, top of the lungs, in that full 4-second count. And then it's a gentle release, controlled exhale over those 8 seconds. So you've still got a little bit left at the end to give on the count of 8. Relax the shoulders, relax the jaw, relax all those tiny little muscles around your eye. Let everything soften. Only muscles that are holding tension are those that need to hold you up. And you're just counting and breathing. We're going to shift now into breathing in through the nose and out the mouth to really bring in that heart and mind connection, heart and brain coherence, letting our body know that we are safe, that there is nothing in this moment here, there is nowhere else to be and nothing else to do. Same count. Remember to just let everything relax. You are simply breathing and counting. We're just going to make one final little change, where after the inhale, you're going to hold for 4 seconds and then breathe out. Just exhale everything, all right, and breathe in through the nose, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, out the mouth, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, in, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and continue. Make sure you relax everything, especially on that hold. Let the shoulders drop, your jaw relax. You're holding your breath, but your body is relaxed. Finish the round you're on. Allow your breathing to return to autopilot and just feel your body. Notice any transformation that may have happened simply by about 5 or so minutes of conscious breath. As I said, this is a beautiful one to include in your daily routine. Perfect first thing in the morning or even as you go to sleep. Thank you so much for joining me. Namaste.